What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, AKA the Audio Cat, with another day and another video, man. Always thanking y'all for the love and the support that y'all giving us, man. Our road to 20K is possible by you guys, man. But today we're bringing you a beautiful, beautiful build, man. It's a Redeye Challenger that was brought to the store. He's an officer in Midlothian. He brought the car, saw the videos. Thanks to you guys for having that success in the channel. And he brought the car to get a whole little build done for some lighting. So on this car, we're gonna be doing some DLRs. I think what the stock ones are right now, because this car is completely stock right now. Well, I don't know about completely stock because that looked nice and glossy black, and that looked really nice. But long story short, the Predator, as he calls it, is getting a custom DLR kit with the flow series for the hood and the grill, and also wants to get the lights lit up here like we've done for many other cars before. So Josh is going to begin the process of getting this car torn down apart to be able to start doing the installation of it. But man, I'm gonna tell you one thing, these cars just look so good in black, man. I don't know what it is. I love my white, but damn, this car looks so good in black, y'all. I don't know if y'all agree or disagree, but you know what? Long story short, that car going in to get a build of lights, man, and we want to thank him for bringing it in and give us a chance to serve you. Team's gonna jump on it right now, get this car, start getting it built for the customer, make his thoughts become reality, man. So stay tuned if we get this car built for you guys on a 2022 Redeye. Josh has been working on phase one of this build. He's already got the headlights opened up and sealed, already ready to go. New lights are installed, so he's got them all sealing up. We throw an extra cooling on top just to make sure everything is sealed. That's done. Josh, what are you doing right now, Josh?
I figured out how the hell to get all the way across the hood.
Oh, that's very easy. I've done it on Reel's car and a couple of other ones. You want to see how it's done?
Is there a hole I don't know about?
There's a fallopian tube you have to extract and be able to get the Kijibras to get to the side skirts.
I can only go this one.
Huh?
I'm maxed out. Oh.
Oh.
All the way through.
Oh, you put your hands in there. You filled it. Yeah, that's that little vent right there on the Redeye goes all the way to these two scoops here. And now we have to get the vents out to be able to do the job. Josh, I thought you were professional, man.
I like Chargers, not Challengers.
Oh, hell no. But you know what? Actually, these two bolts come off here, the vents come off, and then you can do what you have to do and get that situated. But with that being said, we got my girl here. Dodgy, what you tell the camera? What you tell the camera, girl? That's my babies, y'all. But yeah, Josh is tearing and ripping on this. The headlights are done. He got most of the wiring done. Got to put in his power supplies and get that going. He's gonna run that up, get the grill lights installed. And this young man will be taking the car today. He's coming back to add some more stuff to this car. He wants to add the Underglow, which he said would be in about a week. He wants to come and get the Underglow done and get some other stuff done on the car. So, you know, it's a process of time, man. But you know what? The team rocks and rolls and they get it done. So stay tuned if we keep on getting it built together, show you guys what it looks like, and then we get the reveal to the customer. Cruise on the episode here with the beautiful Redeye car is getting done. So you see, got the lower grill, upper grill, the 4 halos. We even got the hood done for him too. But that's amazing. But right now Josh is getting all the cleaning up done to get this car signed, sealed, and delivered and turned into him. They came out looking amazing. What you gotta say, Josh?
Trying to kill me with this hood.
Oh man, they gave it to me. You gave him the hit with the hood, but no. This is what's going on, y'all. So this one right now will be very shortly signed, sealed, delivered, man. This guy's actually a famous cop. He was involved in a shooting in Mesquite a long time ago. They fired him. He's a black man. He shot a black man. They first said he was innocent, then they gave him guilty, and now he's another officer somewhere else, but this is him. You just never know you run into, man. I remember this news this was on the news not too long ago. This is actually like 3-4 years ago in Mesquite. But you know, he's the one that owns this, and he wasn't guilty, so it's kind of what happened with him, man. But this is what's going on. We'll get this car delivered. Cruise crew, we're getting ready for delivery. So Josh right now is in the process of giving it a little wipe down. Make sure there's no fingerprints, like you can see right here. When we work on these cars, there it is, fingerprints. So he's gonna go work and make sure all the fingerprints are off using a microfiber towel, brand new. Tell him, Josh. We don't use t-shirts here, man. But he's wiping it down to get that. Now you see the shine come back in the car, but this is what the car looks like. I know the guy can be very happy. In fact, let me get Josh's phone to show you the flow series flowing, which I know y'all have seen it, but I'm gonna show y'all again. So let's just show you a little pattern here of what's going on with this and what's happening with her. Boom, blue, green, there we go. The flow is there. Give me a flow. Give me a flow. You know what? That one there's good. That one, no, the back one, the one you just had. The one before that, because he's a no, the other one. Had the whites and stuff in it. So go back to that one you just had on. It's going purple. Yeah, we could leave that one there. We're gonna show him that one there. Okay, so we got this pattern here to give him a little demo of what Flo is doing, but he gonna come get his car. Stay tuned.
I have no clue what you're doing. He's fucking something up. I probably fucked something up. Probably supposed to be doing something right now, but I'm recording this bullshit. You're welcome, Jeff.
A few moments later.
Cruise crew, we are at the point where we're gonna turn in the car to Mr. Wiley. I'm gonna introduce you to him real quick. This is his baby that y'all saw the build on. Mr. Wiley, he is the owner of that vehicle. Mr. Wiley, tell us a little bit about your journey with this Dodge.
So, I got my car in May of this year and kind of customized it a little bit. I originally brought it up here and had a kill switch installed in it. They did an awesome job, so I brought it back to have the lights installed in it, and when I saw it for the first time, it was unbelievable. I recommend this place. I can't stop smiling, I can't stop laughing.
I gave him a sneak peek, Josh, just a sneak peek. But now I got something a little bit special because we did something for you to have but the sneak peek wasn't really what the thing was, so let's go see if we can wow you again.
All right.
Come on down here. Come on through, Mr. Wiley.
Oh, man.
So, I told you there's a lot of options in this car, and I did tell you that something is possible. So I wanted you to just take a look at it, because you could actually flow in any color. Since you are an officer, I said let me just go and put that on for you so you see. But let me just show you more.
Oh my God.
Josh, give me your phone device. I don't want to get in here. Josh is my cameraman right now, y'all. But I'm gonna let Josh walk you through some of this stuff.
Okay.
He already downloaded the app, but Josh will walk you through and show you how most of this works. You can go get that quick class.
We have like 200 modes.
Oh, wow.
You choose the one you want.
Yeah, so it's 200 modes. My phone does not like me right now.
Like when you're with your wifey, you could do.
Okay, these down here will be your static colors. So your solids.
You can change it. You can make a color if you want to.
Oh, okay,
You can make a color if you want to. Or you can just go through the modes right here and just press them and go through them all.
Oh, man.
And you can figure out exactly what it is that you like.
Okay.
That one actually pretty cool too.
I like that.
Non-emergency.
Yeah.
But that's what it's about, y'all. Mr. Wiley with his vehicle, he's playing with it as you can see from his phone. He look like a kid in a kid's store today, man. He's like, damn. Well, when you get home, does your wife know you got this done?
Yeah, but she don't know how much I spent.
Okay, because this is what it's gonna be. You're gonna do exactly what I did when I took my Viper home. I just said, they gave it to me. And that's all that I did. And she didn't talk to me for a week, but my dad says it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission.
It is.
So when you ask for permission, they tell you no. But if you ask for forgiveness, they might be mad a few days, but then they'll come back and be happy, man. My question gonna be, what are you feeling right now, Mr. Wiley?
I love it. I'm glad I brought it here. This is way more than what I would expected. Like, I'm just speechless. Like, this is way more than what I expected.
Man, I'm glad that we were able to get it done and serve you. Want to end this video always telling y'all thank you for watching. Thank you for the support, man. Y'all be good and God bless.